My name is Bill Eustace. I run a program at North Florida College called Advanced Manufacturing and Production Technology. This program was basically designed to fast-track students into the work environment. It's an 18-week post-secondary adult vocational education program that exposes students maybe for the first time to a lot of industrial processes, tools, tool usage, industrial safety, quality control, production processing, and manufacturing maintenance. The program has 4 certifications available through it. They're offered through the Manufacturing Skills Standards Council. That is a nationally accredited organization. If they get a passing grade, they're certified basically for life in those segments. I want all the students that come through the program to be successful. I want them to graduate out of the program. I want them to have the necessary life skills, work ethic, and work skills to be able to be successful in the job market. Actually, the state articulates 15 credits to go into an Associate of Science in Engineering Technology. That's your basic 2-year degree in engineering technology. Then you can go ahead and get a 4-year degree, Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology. So the program is stair-step. You can get a job from this program, or you can use this to go into additional schooling and then go on and keep going and keep going. The biggest problem that my coursework will help students solve is in quality control. Sometimes corporations will send students out for secondary schooling just to learn quality control processes. So coming through from this program and already having that under their belt, they may need to send them out to say maybe some classes that are more specific to their particular application, but they've got the basic foundation coming from this program. I've had students that have come into the program with absolutely zero experience with hand tools and things like that. I've had students that actually didn't know the difference between an Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. If you've never been exposed to that type of thing and no one's ever told you, there's no way to know. So this program gives them that foundational knowledge where they understand the hand tools, they understand the specific applications, they understand each one of the trainers that I've got throughout the lab and how they relate into industrial processes. Issues that some students face coming into the program, they might be like, I'm not a mathematician, I'm not a math person. We've got a great Student Success Center on campus, the Academic Success Center. I can send them for 1-hour remediation a couple times a week so that they can get that score up for their mathematics, or it may be an English or a writing score that they need to elevate. So there is a chance for them to go ahead and pull those scores up and get a baseline exam score so that they can continue in the program and do well in the program. There are no prerequisites. I do tell students it's probably a good idea, and these days everybody knows what computers are. Everybody's very good with computers. You need a lot of computer skills in here. There's 14 pieces of training equipment here in my lab that you have to go through. That each one of them has 20 lessons on it. They basically take you from entry level, not knowing anything about that particular trainer that you're working on, through advanced applications, PLCs, pneumatics, hydraulics, robotics. The 4 certifications that students can earn while attending my program. The state has said that those certifications, you learn enough that they'll articulate those certifications into 15 college level credits. So my program is basically a stair step. It's a standalone program, and you can go straight to work out the back door. I've got a dozen industry partners with the program that are constantly looking for people to hire. The program runs from 8 until 4. I have students that come at all different times during the day based on their own homeschool or work schedules. But my interaction with you and seeing how you present yourself, are you on time? Do you do the right things while you're here in class? That makes a huge difference in whether or not I make a recommendation to an employer that you should be somebody that they need to look at as far as a potential new hire. I'll coach you every inch of the way so that we make sure that you're a valuable and viable employee that can retain employment. If this sounds like something that you may be interested in, please speak with an advisor at North Florida College and tell them that you're interested in the Advanced Manufacturing and Production Technology program that's offered here. It's a great start into either permanent employment or elevating and keeping and going on in your education.